This is Betsy, and today I'll be showing you how to make turkeys with little hands, so it'll be good. So there's two options of what I will be giving you. You'll either be doing these colors or this color. It's basically the same thing, it just depends on what colors you want. So it's rather simple. All you'll need is, I'll give you all the materials. You'll need glue, scissors, those are the most important things. The rest, I give you the little stuff to cut out and stick on the little thing. And all you need is a toilet paper roll. If you have that, that's good. If not, we'll give you one. So enjoy the video. So as you can see here, I will put in 2 turkey bodies for you. They will be included in the kit. I want to include 2 so it'll be thicker and it'll be able to show up more on the toilet paper roll, so it's not flopping around as much, and so I can handle it more. So right here you can see me just cutting away the turkey body. So just to preference, you could just cut it apart and then just stick the 2 together, 2 sides together. Make sure to stick the 2 sides that go together on top of each other. So as long as they line up, they're good. You can do whichever side you want. Either you can glue it all at once or do what I did in parts, so you know that everything is aligned perfectly. So this is easy, simple. So the turkey, just make sure either put them all together, all its little body parts, you know, you're assembling a little turkey here for Thanksgiving. So I will include the little belly, little feet, little beak, little red little thingy-majig, gobble or something along those lines. I always forget how to pronounce it, so I just say the little thingy-majig. So I already cut those parts out, and you just have to figure out where you want to do them. I like to be around the middle since it's the belly. I think it is such. And either put the little gimlet down first, and you can just put that on top, or you can do the beak first and this on top. See, I like to go either way, doesn't really matter. So I like to put the nose down first, and you see me sticking it down the center. So here we have this, and then I will stick little eyes a little above. You can do them close, far away, wherever you like. Or you can do, you can cut out white little circles in order to make the eyes bigger. So I finished with the little eyeballs, and now we go to the little feet. You can either do 2 to the front, so 2 to the back, 1 back, and 1 front. So your preference, whatever you would like. I like to do 1 front, 1 back, because it looks like it's still walking. I mean, here you can really stop. It's all you really need. No, I'm just kidding. So the next part is get the toilet paper roll. You can either grab your own from the bathroom, just make sure you're all done with it. Don't throw it away. Set it aside to use. So what I like to do is flip it over into the back. And I want to make sure that it can walk, it can stand. And then as long as it can stand, we're good. So what I like to do is, with the pencil, lightly draw a line right there. So that's where you know where to glue to.
Okay, so at this point, I just made sure to hold pressure on both sides. I drew a little line of glue on both sides and just held it together in order so it wouldn't fall apart later on.
Hold steady pressure. And you don't really need a big, you don't need hot glue gun or anything. Just glue stick. Does stick. Next part. As you can see here, the little feathers. I use paint. So, what you're gonna do is, I already included the little paper, is trace your hand. Spread your hand as wide as possible, and then just start tracing. And just remember to smooth out, round it out. Round out the end. I was gonna say hitting mine to the little palms, but round it out if you want to. Range it however you like. What I'm gonna do is cut a little bit off because my fingers are too long. So whatever you would like to do, however you like to shape it out. So now that we've cut the hands to the right sides, you just arrange them however you would like. Glue it down. Glue it together before.
So, as you can see here, we have the little turkey hands already arranged. So what you're going to do is make sure to stick it right around where you think it should go. So make sure you appropriately measure and then just grab your glue stick and glue it down. So I think it goes about there, so don't mind the space right there. It's okay. It's as long as it can stand, that's all you need for the turkey hand. So here we go. So what I'd like to do is just glue it. Glue this. So then you have that down and just hold it steady, and there you have it, your little turkey, little puppet. Hands all arranged and everything.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned how to make this little beautiful little turkey. And if you come by the library, we'll give you a kit and how to make it. Have a good day, everyone.